You know why I'm wearing these glasses? It's because it's Valentine's Day! So today I'm going to bake Valentine's cookies!
Oh!
Wow! So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make Valentine's cookies for you. 100 grams of butter, 1 egg, 80 grams of brown sugar, 200 grams of flour, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, a pinch of salt. Squish the butter and put it in a big bowl. Add the brown sugar and the salt. Get 1 egg and beat it with a fork. Add the vanilla and mix with the egg. Pour together with the other ingredients and mix. Use a mixer to make it more smooth. Lastly, add the flour and use your hands to mix it up. Once the dough is nicely mixed, put it in a plastic bag and in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, roll out the dough with a rolling pin. I used a plastic bag so it won't stick. Now make any shape of cookie you want. I made hearts and circles. Remove the extra dough. Now move the cookies to the baking tray. Repeat until all the dough is done. Bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Be careful when you take out the cookies. The oven is really hot. Also the cookies. Put the cookies on a cooling rack to cool. The cookies are ready! Now I'm going to show you how to decorate it. So these are the ingredients what I need to decorate. Put a few spoons of water in the icing sugar and mix it. Now add the food coloring. I'm using pink and red and purple. Put the mixture in a piping bag. So now I have all my piping bags, and now it's time to decorate! Now we can decorate the cookies in any design that we want. You can use any kind of sprinkles too. Wow, look at all these yummy cookies. I'm gonna eat one now. I'm really hungry. 3, 2, 1, go! This is really good. Want some? Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!